Hey girl, hey, welcome back. Today we are doing a review on the Outre Atlas. I am wearing the color Soft Blonde. Today is a 2-for-1. We are talking about this unit as well as a cut and style with me. So you guys would like to see how I accomplish this look, stay tuned. This is the final look. I personally decided to wear a different look only because I didn't like the way it originally looked out the pack on me, and something was going on with the lace. It just wasn't blending. So I said, you know what, we're gonna just restyle this whole way, and we did. So straight out the pack, she's a 22-inch. Okay, I gelled her down, of course, with my Tresemme, right, and my Gatsby glue. I could have put a part right here. I didn't. I still could. It's a freeform wig, right? A full frontal. And it actually fits my head this time. But again, she doesn't look anything like the stock card because I want to try something different. Simple. And I did. Again, this is Atlas from Outre, pre-plucked Hairline. If you guys found this video interesting, liked it, enjoyed it, please hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.